Hey folks, so typically we're going to have postings on Tuesdays, but this week because of the Easter break, this posting starts on Wednesday. So the work that you're supposed to cover the week of the 15th through the 17th is going to be explained here. Your learning check is due by noon on Monday, April 20th. So the purpose of this week's instruction is to review mutations as a source of variation. We talked about mutations and how they play a role in DNA changes and how that change causes changes to the protein. You're going to review that. The reason we're going to review that is the next unit that we're going to spend pretty much the rest of our time at home covering is going to be evolution. And mutations are the source of variation for evolution. So there's 3 tasks that you need to complete this week. The first one is the Critter Lab. The idea here is you're practicing what you've already done before with DNA and protein synthesis. You're using the DNA code to come up with an RNA code and using the RNA code to come up with the protein sequence. With that, there's also a posting for the wheel, the codon chart, so you'll need to reference that when you get to it. It's in the same folder as this week's assignment, so feel free to open that up. If you have your biology notebook at home, then you definitely have the codon chart glued into your notebook, so you can use it there, whichever works for you. After that, you're going to do mutation practice. This is going to be taking a look at different types of mutations and how it changes the protein. Both of those assignments, you don't need to print out. You can open up the Word document, edit them, type your answers right in there, and then save them to your OneDrive. I'm not checking those. I am going to check your learning with a learning check, and that should be the last thing in this week's folder. That learning check, you're going to answer a couple questions, and when you finished answering those questions, that'll be your way of showing me that you've done the work for this week. Hopefully you'll come see me at the online meeting that we'll have on Wednesday, the 15th. And if not, you can email me or chat with me anytime you need to. Stay well and good luck.